So hello guys, right now as you can see I just received 2 boards from Backfire G2S, the brand new skateboard Ranger X1. Now let's unbox this. But first, let's unbox first the G2S. Wait a minute. Let's cut it open. Okay, overkill. Shit. Wow, the G2S. Got it. So the G2S has 2 speed for beginners, the high speed for experienced e-skateboard. Max speed is 40 kilometers and it's 25 miles per hour in America. 25% incline, rechargeable for 3 hours. RBS speed, so regenerative braking. The board weighs about 6.6 kilograms, so it's kind of heavy, but not deep. But compared for the Ranger X1, it's much lighter. Wheels 80 millimeters, but it says that they have a 105 millimeter wheel. Reach up to 25 kilometers, and that's about 16 miles in America. G2S, the 105 wheels. This is a perfect wheel for here in the Philippines. I got a spare batteries. It's gonna be perfect. Damn, Backfire. So neat. Finally, the Ranger X1. Woo! Damn, this is fucking cool. Damn. It says here that I'm the it's about 213. Here's the batch. Specs. 2 modes. Max speed 36 kilometers, and that's about 22 miles per hour. 30% incline. So and recharge time is about 6 hours. So I need another battery. I need to order another battery. Can't wait for 6 hours. Woo! So, Backfire, Mr. Adi, hook me up. It weighs about 13.8 kilograms, so 4 pounds. And, wheels 6.5 inches, so it's kind of big. Flexible, just like the Galaxy G2S. Range 32 kilometers. So, it says here 32 kilometers. But for my weight, 91 kilograms, I think it's gonna be about 28 kilometers. Let's see. The extra t-shirt, so free t-shirt giveaways. So it's a nice shirt, but I doubt it's gonna fit me, so I'm just gonna give it to my pinsan. So, dalawa. Smile, te. Unya eh.
Ayaw, nagiging-ikat na. Lord.
Oh yeah, 13 kilos to that. Woo! 13 kilograms. You're not kidding.